Hey guys, it's Casey Storm Girl here. So be weather aware, we are under a winter weather warning or snow warning. Can't think today. Starting tonight, it's supposed to get icy with a mix of some snow. They're talking about power outages and tree limbs down, so be weather aware. If the power is out, make sure you have plenty of blankets with you. Have everything that you need to prepare yourself for the cold, because it's going to be sub-zero temperatures outside. And then they're talking about Saturday being heavy snow to Sunday heavy snow and ice. So if you need to go out, do it now, because it's perfect to go out. The roads are not fine. There's already salt on the roads. But if you don't have to go out this weekend, I recommend not going anywhere. Absolutely not. If they're talking about how they're saying to 6 to 10 inches of snow and ice, please make sure you have plenty of food, water, all this kind of stuff, so that way you are safe in your home for this winter storm. I will be posting more possibly tonight, tomorrow, and on to Sunday. So stay tuned, and again, be weather aware. Don't be sure to like and subscribe.